Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Google Firebase Hosting for live websites, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with Google Firebase Hosting, start by visiting the Firebase console website. Click on the Get Started button. You will need a Google account to proceed. If you don't have one, create a new Google account. Once signed in, select Add Project from the dashboard. Enter your project name in the designated field. You can choose to enable Google Analytics for your project if desired. Review the information and click on Create Project. After the project is created, click on Continue to access your project dashboard. On the left side menu, find and select Hosting. Click on the Get Started button under the Hosting section. You will need to install the Firebase CLI if you haven't done so already. Open your terminal or command prompt. Type in the command, npm install g Firebase tools. Hit enter to execute the command. Once the installation is complete, log into Firebase using your terminal. Enter the command, Firebase login. Follow the on-screen instructions to authenticate. After logging in, navigate to your project directory in the terminal. Initialize Firebase in your project by running the command, Firebase init. Select the hosting option from the list by using the arrow keys and pressing the spacebar. Continue by pressing enter to move to the next prompt. You will be prompted to select your Firebase project. Choose the project you created earlier from the list. You may be asked to configure your public directory. If this is your first time, you can keep the default value of public. Make sure to set the app as a single-page app if applicable. Decide whether you want to overwrite your existing index.html file. Review your choices and complete the setup. To deploy your website, run the command, Firebase deploy. You will see a confirmation message once the upload is complete. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.